So, hey dear students, welcome back. In this possible order for a matrix with 18 elements, we are going to find for question number 3. So, what do you mean by possible order for a matrix with 18 elements? Since the total number of elements is given by rows into columns, how we are writing total numbers of element? That sure it is given by rows into columns now. So, the possible orders will be 1 cross 18. So, what I am saying, you all are not getting. What will be the 18 elements possible order? So 18 elements. What will be the factors of 18? We are given that a matrix has 18 elements and we need to find all possible orders it can have. So that means a matrix of order is rows into columns. That is rows means rows into columns. We can write rows as m and n. Rows into columns m into n to find that is 18. To find possible values of m cross n, we list all pairs of factor of 18. So what it will be the factor of 18? 18 factor of 18 will be 1, 2, and next is 3. 3 also factor of 18. 4, no, 4 is not. 5, no. 6, yes. 6 3 is 18 cause. Now 9 also, and 18 itself. Okay, all this factor. So what we are going to do to find possible order for a matrix, we are going to list all this factor and then combine all this factor with their possible rows and columns. So here we are combining first row and 18 columns possibility is there. 18 rows first column possibility is there because of factor, and second row 2 rows and 9 columns possibility, 9 rows and 2 columns probability, and 3 rows 6 columns possibilities there, and 6 rows third columns, and that's all. So these are the only possible orders because m and n must be whole number and must multiply to 18. So all are multiplication of 18. 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 6 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, 18 cross 1, 18, 1 into 18. So other combination are not possible as they would result in non-integer values for rows into columns. So if you have any any problems with this solution, then comment below. I will provide answer. And if you want further topic discussion, then comment that also. Thank you.